Hi guys, welcome to my station Life as Jodie. Today I will be showing you how to do 2 feed-in braids with mini braids in the middle. So my client hair was previously blown out before I started the video, so I like to make sure that my client hair is free of oils, clean, and my fingers can run through the client's hair. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you what products I use. So I use 2 bags of EZ Braid Braiding hair. I use HairShine N Jam conditioner. I use Edge Wax by Murray's, Jodie Sleek Edges Extreme Hold, Edge Booster Gel by Style Factor. We won't need this item until the end of the video, like towards the end. I also use scissors, a rat tail comb, Pump It Up or whatever holding spray you would like, or whatever's your choice, and 3 clips. One is actually already in her hair. Okay, what I'm actually doing now is I'm actually prepping the hair for the style. And while I do have you guys' attention right now, if you have not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I need you guys to comment below styles that you would like for me to do in the future. Someone actually requested this style. She's already a braider, so I didn't do a step-by-step 1, 2, 3 video over this style. But if you would like to see that, please comment that below in the comment section. Okay, you guys, so what I just did was basically prep the hair. I pre-parted the hair down the middle because we are doing 2 braids. So right now I'm going to use my HairShine N Jam. I'm going to go over the part with the HairShine N Jam and then re-part the hair to create a crisp look. This way it's easier to separate the hair down the middle. You get a more defined crisp look. If your parts are straight, your hairstyle looks nicer. So I didn't mention this earlier on, but if you are doing a middle part straight down the middle, you start the part at the tip of the nose of your client. I've been doing this for a minute now, so I can kind of look in the mirror and kind of see where the part's supposed to go. So that's why you don't see me in front of her parting down the middle. Okay, so here's our final look of our crisp part when using the HairShine N Jam, front and back. And now I'm just going to secure one side with a clip. Okay, so now we're going to get off into the braiding hair. So we're going to unpackage the hair. We're going to cut the hair off of the package. Then we're going to separate the hair into 14 pieces. Now, I will show in a separate video if you guys would like to see how I actually separate the hair. Comment that below. I'll make a separate video of that. I do buy pre-stretched hair, so no stretching is actually needed with this hair. So this is just a visual of how I lay out my hair. I do not use a braiding rack because it is an inconvenience for me. I use my bar stool. So I have already prepped with the 2 braids in the middle. This is just a reminder. She asked for a visual on how to do 2 braids with mini, so that's what I'm doing. Right now, I'm prepping the baby hair. This client likes smaller baby hair, so I'm going to pull some of this hair back. We're not going to be too dramatic today. So again, if you would like to see a tutorial on how to do baby hair, comment that below and I can show you the different types of baby hair I do, from dramatic baby hair to swirls to regular to simple to brush back. Whichever you want to see, comment that below so I can show you. So what I'm actually doing now is grabbing my Murray's wax. I'm going to put it on her edges because she wants somewhat of a stitch look in the beginning of her braids, and for me to have control of the hair, the wax helps me have control. You can use this product on all of your natural clients. It really works well on the naturals. Perm client, not so much. You don't really need it because their hair kind of already lay how you want it to lay. So I'm just going to put it on the edges, brush it down, and now I'm going to center part off the hair. I'm going to grab my Shine N Jam, and I'm going to part small parts going all the way down to the back of her head, and it's like I'm greasing her hair with the jam. Now what the jam actually does is it helps me have control over the hair while I'm braiding, so pieces won't get out of place. I don't have to worry about flyaways while I'm braiding. So, you know, and it actually is a conditioner, so it's good for your client's scalp. Now I'm just going to comb the hair in place, prep it to how I want to braid it. So the rest of the video is kind of just the visual that she asked for. So again, if you guys like this video, I need you to like, subscribe, enable those notifications so that when I do drop another video, you will be alerted. Again, if there's anything you would like for me to do, any styles, hairstyles you would like to see, comment that in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to show you. Please let me know if you want me to do a 1, 2, 3 step. That's like when I go this step, this step, this step, or if you would like a visual, something like this video. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. So this is how I create the sleek look. I get the Shine N Jam, I go down the base of the braid, and as I go down the base of the braid, I'm going to comb the hair down into the braid. So I'll explain the edge booster gel in just a second. The Edge Booster Gel will come in after the Shine N Jam, and the Edge Booster Gel is just for a firm hold so the hair doesn't crawl when they're natural. So now I'm going to take my Jodie Sleek Edges Edge Control. The link for this product will be in the details of this video. I'm going to brush down my client's hair. Again, if you would like to see a video of how to do baby hairs, comment that in the comment section below. Okay guys, this is the finished look. This style takes anywhere from 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Let me know what you guys think.